In this video, I'll guide you through how to change Steam General Controller settings for a PS5 controller. If you're planning to use your PlayStation 5 controller while gaming on Steam, configuring the correct controller settings can improve compatibility and give you a smoother gameplay experience. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the setup process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't already running, launch it and wait for it to finish loading. If you're not signed in automatically, click the Login button near the top right corner of the window. Enter your account name and password carefully, making sure there aren't any typing errors. Then click Sign In to access your account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. This is where you can access your game library, browse the store, and adjust your account settings. To continue, look toward the upper left corner of the application and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, select Settings to open Steam's configuration menu. Inside the Settings window, you'll notice a list of categories along the left side. Find and click on Controller to access Steam's controller configuration options. This section is specifically designed to manage how different controllers interact with your games and allows you to customize their behavior for the best possible experience. Within the controller settings, locate the option labeled PlayStation Configuration Support. Enable this setting by checking the corresponding box. Turning on this option allows Steam to properly recognize your PlayStation 5 controller and apply built-in support across compatible games. After enabling PlayStation controller support, connect your controller to your computer. If you're using a wired connection, simply plug the controller into your PC using a compatible USB cable. If you'd rather play wirelessly, turn on Bluetooth on your computer and pair the controller with your system. During the pairing process, the controller's light bar may blink until the connection is established, indicating that Steam is detecting the device. Once your controller has been successfully connected and recognized, you can further improve your gaming experience by calibrating it. Spend a few moments adjusting settings such as sensitivity, dead zones, and other available controller options to better match your personal preferences and play style. And that's all there is to it. Your PS5 controller is now configured and ready to use with Steam. With the proper settings enabled and your controller calibrated, you'll be able to enjoy a more responsive and comfortable gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped. Happy gaming!